Welcome to the second Math Skill series on navigation. To give a quick recap, in the previous navigation series, we covered how to use the navigation component, how to navigate to dialog destinations, how to use safe arcs for passing arguments, and how to navigate with deep links. If you're not familiar with any of these topics, you might want to check out the previous episodes, which are all linked in the notes below. This may sound like a lot, but the navigation component has much more to offer. In this new series, I'll talk about how to integrate the navigation graph with the app UI, how to add conditional navigation, how to create nested navigation graphs, and how to use navigation in multi-module apps and feature modules. Stay tuned, or, well, subscribe to learn more on navigation.